love Santa Claus. Aliens love Santa Claus. The aliens are excited as tomorrow's Christmas Day, so instead of stealing underpants, they give them away. They jump into their spaceships, whee, and whiz off to Lapland, full of Christmas spirit, to give Santa Claus a hand. The aliens read the letters out from all the girls and boys, and just for fun, they add a pair of pants with their toys. In Santa's busy workshop, they cause lots of jolly knickers. When dressing up little elves in fancy frilly knickers. The reindeer wear their underpants, lit up all big and glowing, with the neon pads to light the way. It helps show where they're going. Great, Santa's nearly ready, but shh. When he turns his back, the aliens swap a spotted pair of boomers for a snack. Ho, 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 laughs Santa, but his smile turns into a frown. He won't be going anywhere. His sleigh has broken down. It's aliens to the rescue with their spaceships for a sleigh, so reindeer's bells are jingling jingle. Here comes Santa Claus, hooray! They hover over rooftops, and it's really fantastic how Santa shoots down chimneys on a rope of pads elastics. The aliens follow Santa as he tiptoes to each bed. They take all the stockings and the knickers up instead. They decorate our Christmas tree with festive knickers cheer and leave out underpants that say an alien was here. They motion on, they fly back home to plan their next attack. So hold on to your underpants. The aliens will be back. So that's the end of the book. See you next time.